The REP Adjustable Plyo Box offers multiple height settings, so one piece of equipment can handle everything from gentle step-ups to explosive box jumps as your training progresses. Its welded steel frame feels extremely solid underfoot, giving confidence for heavier athletes and higher-impact plyometric work without noticeable flex or wobble. The top platform is covered with a grippy rubber surface that helps shoes stay planted on landings, which is especially reassuring when you are tired or moving quickly. Because of its compact stackable design, this plyo box fits easily into a home gym or garage without taking over the floor space between workouts. The overall build quality reflects the brand's focus on serious training gear, with clean welds and a finish that stands up well to frequent use. For anyone building a home gym, this adjustable box effectively replaces several fixed-height platforms, simplifying your setup while expanding your exercise options.